beautiful people. I'm Steph. That's it. Bye. Good morning, beautiful people. I am Steph and welcome to my channel. Since this is my first YouTube video ever, bear with me. Just know I got a lot in store for anyone who's watching. What we will be doing today is removing my headliner on the Honda Accord and adding the Rolls Royce lights to it. I don't know how long it'll take, but we'll get it done. I need to get the supplies first, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Get the supplies and we'll talk later when I do the lights, you know, one by one, inserting. Let's get started. What you'll be needing to remove the headliner is a screwdriver, a flathead, and then I don't know exactly what these are called, but it'll get in there and unclip the clips, so that's gonna be really helpful. Whew. We also need an 8mm socket of some sort. Let me find that real quick. Okay, so we're gonna take these off. Why is there a tube in here? Oh, I swear YouTube makes it look easy. Unplugging this right here and one mirror down. We're gonna do the same with the other side. By the way, my boyfriend thinks this is impossible and he said he never put it back in because it was so difficult. So let's prove to him that with patience you can do it, or you can do anything with patience, basically. So we already learned, just twist it like that and unplug it. There we go. There we go. Now it's the vanity, I think that's what they call it. So there's two 8mm right there. Here's the 8mm. I didn't find the ratchet for it, so I'm just gonna use an extension for it, and here's the 8mm. There you go. I did not need a ratchet, and there should be some screws over there. We'll be able to remove this whole box out. I'm trying to explain it to you guys so you guys could do it too. So we can all have new headliners. Ew. So we can all have new headliners. So thank you. No, thank me. But I'm showing you where everything is. There's the screwdriver right there, where the screw goes. It's getting pretty hot. Guys, I'm actually pretty excited to start this YouTube channel. Like, I always wanted to show what I'm doing, help out people. And I feel like this would really help a lot of people, a lot of females too. Like, I would love to see females do cars like this and work on their own car. Inspire females to do it themselves, and I want to inspire everybody to do it themselves. And you know, anything is possible, because if I can do it, you could surely do it. Finally, Hondas are so easy. I think that's what it is, honestly. Hondas are the best. Let's go to step 2. You know, I haven't straightened my hair in a long time, so go like and subscribe because of that. There's 2 Phillips screws over here, so we gotta remove that tab. So this screw is off, and I'm gonna keep this screw in the back so I remember to keep everything organized. What the heck is this? I'm really experimenting here. It's my first headliner removal here. There's 1 screw as well. I'll show you guys the screw. Right there in the middle. Just 1 screw. Drink some water. Or is it water? So if you're removing this part right here, just remove it from where the switch is. I like forced it from the top and it came down. Now there's some creases here. Now that I removed this cover, I'm going to remove 2 screws here. I hope I don't get electrocuted. So there's a switch here that we gotta remove. I should really wear a face mask. This is a scarf. We're just gonna wear that and protect ourselves. Back is already done. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like, oh, where's my mask? I can't work like this. Oh, it comes out like that. So let me just unhook the other side. People don't show you taking the headliner off, maybe because it's hard or something, they forget, but I'm gonna show you everything. That was beautiful. My boyfriend's gonna be proud of me. I'm actually gonna call him and tell him, can you help me? It's like really stuck here. And then let's see his reaction of it being done. There is the headliner. It is out of the car. Yes, out of my vehicle. Look at that. Easy peasy. See, girls, you can do it on your own. I'm gonna have to figure out how to take this out. For those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, this is my car. Static, baby. Hello? Can you help me for like a bit?
Oh, see?
It's just this one little panel that won't come off. Can you please help me?
Give me a sec.
My boyfriend to the rescue. It's just a little tab that won't come off. I really need your help on it.
This is gonna happen. What? So I just woke up so you could show me that the headliner is off. I told you this shit gonna be easy because you could fold it.
Are you proud of me?
Semi. I'll be proud when you actually get it done.
Let's see if this block works.
Is this a part of the fast forwarding process?
Do you think the hand sander will do it? Like, this is gonna take forever. Do I need to take it off? I'm about to try the hand sander. Hold the sander. Down. Okay guys, so I just finished putting like 3 rows in. I'm gonna put bond so it could stay in. Just made myself some coffee because it started getting cold. It's like 9:30 p.m. not that late. Okay guys, it's currently 12:30 a.m. and I'm not done yet. I have like 3 more parts to go. I'm about to show you right now. That's 1, 2, 3. Now I need 4, 5, 6. So I got 3 more parts to go. 1, 2, and 3 right here. This part is right there because that's where my box is going to be set up. So we're hiding this box right here, right there. This water tube was connected to that because I do have a sunroof, so that's where the water drains. So I covered that pretty good, and now I just need to zip tie it up, and then we'll be good to go.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store. And I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I kept it on. I bought a new paddock, I had
Hey guys, and that is a wrap. I finally finished my new headliner. It looks beautiful, it looks amazing. I am in love with it. I can't wait for night drives to just vibe with the music and put different colors, pick which color I want, and just ride with the wind. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Go give it a like, comment, subscribe. I got many more videos in mind, many more DIYs that you guys can also try at home, because there's more to come. This is just the beginning, okay guys? So thank you guys so much for supporting me, for watching this video, and see you guys next time. Peace.
Static! Yes, sir!